Can you see the moon? I don't know if you guys can see it or not. It's over this way. The finches need some more food. Got a mourning dove hanging out on the swing. It's already warm out here. It's 10:30 in the morning. It's supposed to be well over 100 degrees. We're almost at 100 right now. I go off what my weather station says though. And at this moment it is saying it is 92 degrees. Okay, I gotta get these guys some more food and check their bird bath there. Make sure they have water because it's gonna be a hot one. Hey buddy. How you doing? I see you looking at me. All right, I'll be back with you in a little bit. Gotta go handle the birds. I know, I'm gonna get you some more food. Okay, they've got nice fresh food. Refilled their bird bath because it's gonna be hot. I even put some food in the swing for the doves. There's one behind the apricot tree. Walking around up there. See him? Waffles is off exploring. She's about ready to go inside because it's pretty warm out here for her. Yeah, I refilled your swing, buddy. Go take a look. I fixed it for you. You're welcome. You guys got a good life out here. I refill my feeders every morning. And the bird bath every day, year round. They get fed and watered well. So if you ever wondered what happened to gardenias in the heat, this is what happens. That's too bad. Hopefully some of these won't bloom until after the heat's gone. What a bummer.